So schon wird es ist über eine so SNDF. Oh, holy. Se keep statement is nganza wethu isho labana uthi oh no. Nesi statement is nganza wethu ufundeleni. Iyasho lapha mthi le ndaba lezi ukuthi eSouth Africa kuzokhishwa amasosha azoprotecta okanye azobheka isimo ngoba isabateti. Oh, they say, oh no, that's a lie. That's an absolutely lie. Sisabona siganza ukusirculate ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana kuma-social media platforms kuthiwa ngomhla 30 kuyobe kumanzi phansi. Abantu bofika, they felt safe. Ukuthi oh finally happy. Oh mina ngijabule ukuthi kuzobe khona amasosha azobabhekelela. And it turned out to go, oh no, there will be no soldiers at Athens. Akoma sosha. Like, no. Joe buena na statement is nganza wethu. Okay. With all then being said, izinganza ukuthi usho ukuthi abantu bekade belanda amavidiyo adala aSiril Ramaphosa awumongameli wethu eqala laphana. That's futhi it's like it's confusing because sekhona ngisho ne-AI so ezinye izinto eziyiqiniso and no, it's just AI. But le statement it clarifies everything ukuthi oh basically there will be no soldiers on the 10th of June. No soldiers at all. They don't know anything about that.